The progressive science of wavevolution regards the transformation from waves to atoms, and its correlation to new understandings of the relation between space and time. Wavevolution extends the concept of evolution to all forms of energy, through a process of gradual changes that transform waves into atoms. All elements have one electric charge, one counterpart, and one mass. Massless does not exist. Symmetry is everywhere. Neutral elements are composites of two opposite charges, and are not elementary particles. Wavevolution is the energy transformation opposite to nuclear fission. Wavevolution is also the link that was missing to science, to reveal the creation. The origin of the universe is revealed even by the spark appearing from the friction of two cutting blades, while they are being sharpened. Try to videotape the spark appearing from those two blades, then watch again the same film, while it's being rewound, and in slow motion. You will see the light from the spark, entering the blades, and becoming part of them. In fact, the photons of light are the building blocks of the metal blades. This simple example should also be a clear indication to explain how the whole mass had been formed in the universe. Once they have reached one critical level of energy, lost heat as they travel, and having therefore reduced their frequencies, waves collapse, also forming two subatomic particles with opposite charges, as if they were the split ends of one broken hair. Since the Big Bang, waves continue to solidify into hydrogen atoms, and transform their energy in different forms of mass. The human beings, made up of atoms, are the ultimate product of a slow process, started with transformed waves. In wavevolution, all forms of energy constantly transform. The same quantum of energy, originally carried by any wave, becomes gradually fragmented and dispersed by the encountered interferences. For example, quanta of gamma rays, over time, will lower their potential to become X-rays, and X-rays will gradually become ultraviolet rays, diminishing their original frequencies. The initial quantum of energy is transformed in different forms, through spontaneous symmetry breaking. Wavevolution shows how the behavior in waves and atoms is identical, and how this single movement common to all energy is comparable to one divine will that creates the whole universe. The discovery of the existence of one universal law, that had one beginning about 14 billion years ago, and that was not caused by humankind, confirms as a consequence, the existence of one creator.